So, good morning and welcome back to class 8. In my last class, I had started trigonometry, and the first lesson of trigonometry is the system of measurement of angles. In last class, I had given definition of what is an angle, what do we mean by adjacent angles, then what is right angle. So those topics are quite essential. So if you have missed that class, you can join your virtual class and you can scroll back to previous dates. So you find out on which date there is optional math class. So you revise that and then you come back to today's class. Okay. So you know you are a student of science and mathematics. So everything needs to be measured, and you are future engineers, future doctors, future pilots, future surveyors. So you must understand what is an angle and how to measure an angle. So there are three systems. Number one is sexagesimal system of measurement. Number two, centesimal system of measurement. And third one is circular system. This is also called SI system. This is used for scientific purpose. So today I am going to explain each system in detail one by one. So you make notes of previous class and this current class also, and also you prepare notes of future classes. You have independence. Keep this with you. You note down, means you can watch videos repeatedly. There is no restriction. And in the end of the video, I will give homeworks. At present, there is no homework to solve question, but you have to repeatedly read these topics and memorize. So let us first pick up sexagesimal system. It is also known as English system because it has originated from England. In this system, main unit is 1 degree. 1 degree. This is written as 1 and this small 0 as a superscript. And its sub-units means units within units. Like meter, centimeter, millimeter. In the same way, sub-unit of degree is minute. And sub-unit of minute is second. Let us see what is called 1 degree. About right angle I have described in previous video. Here AOB is a right angle. So you consider this as AOB as a right angle. Now what is 1 degree? If a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, mind it, this right angle, this is right angle, and this is how to divide angle. In such way, if you divide a right angle into 90 equal parts, then the measurement of each division, see how a small divisions, 90 divisions will be there. So each division is said to be 1 degree. 1 degree. So double of 1 degree will be 2 degree. 10 times of 1 degree will be 10 degree. And 90 times of 1 degree will be 90 degree. So you can also say 1 degree is 1 by 90th part of a right angle. 1 degree is equal to 1 by 90th part of right angle. So means 1 by means right angle divided into 90 equal pieces. So one piece is 1 degree. So in the right angle, how many pieces are there? 90 pieces. So right angle is also called an angle of 90 degree. Now 1 minute. See, in word you will write like this, and in symbol you will write like this. What is 1 minute? But you know this is in sexagesimal system, so you can call it 1 sexagesimal minute. 1 sexagesimal minute. So what is it? So degree has been mentioned here. So minute. If 1 degree, see how small is 1 degree. If 1 degree is further divided into 60 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 minute. Means degree broken down into 60 equal parts. Find these numbers 60. Here it was 90. If a degree is divided into 60 equal parts, in that case, one division is said to be 1 minute, sexagesimal minute. Let's go to second. If 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 sexagesimal second. Means right angle into 90 parts, then one part is 1 degree. 1 degree into 60 parts, then one part is 1 sexagesimal minute. 1 sexagesimal minute into 60 parts, then each subdivision is called 1 sexagesimal second. This is how to write. See in bracket 1 second. Now let's go to next part. So what is the mathematical relationship between sexagesimal degree, minute and second? It is just a review of what we had written earlier. One right angle is equivalent to 90 degree. So if you will reverse this, 1 degree is equivalent to 1 by 90 right angle. Now degree and minute. 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes, or reverse, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. Next, minute and second. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, or 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. This is inverted count. Okay. So this is all about sexagesimal system. Clear? Now we move to next system, centesimal system. Centesimal system is also known as French system because this system has originated from France. Main unit is 1 grade. This is how to write. And sub units are 1 minute and 1 second. You know, here also there is minute and second, but this is centesimal minute and centesimal second. So you have to keep in mind. Context is different. That minute and second was sexagesimal. This minute and second is in centesimal system. So let us define what is 1 grade. If a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, that time it was 90, now it is 100. into 100 equal parts, then measurement of each division is said to be 1 grade. Measurement of each division is said to be 1 grade. Now 1 minute, how much is 1 centesimal minute? If 1 grade is divided into 100 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 centesimal minute. Symbol is same as before, as sexagesimal. But if this minute will come with grade, it is centesimal. If minute comes with degree, it is sexagesimal. Now 1 second in centesimal system. If 1 minute, see, minute is 100th part of grade, second is 100th part of minute. If 1 minute is divided into 100 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 centesimal second. Is it? Now, let us see one right angle. One right angle is 100 grade. So if you will see from left to right, 1 grade is 1 by 100 into right angle. 1 grade equal to 100 minute, or 1 minute equal to 1 by 100 grade. Similarly, 1 minute equal to 100 second, or 1 second is equal to 1 by 100 minute. This is all in centesimal system. So always in coming class we will be solving questions related to degree, minute, second, grade, minute, second. Degree, minute, second should be considered as hexadecimal system. Grade, minute, second should be considered as centesimal system. Okay. So this is all for today. I will be coming in front of you with some more lessons, some more questions in next class. So you watch this video. If you don't understand in once, then try again and again. After that, I will post these pages in document section also, so you can download there and you can read at ease the ease of yours. Whenever you like, you can read. Okay. So today's homework is memorize all the definitions and understand these mathematical relationships. Thank you.